Hi there, and today we're going to have a ClickUp Content Calendar tutorial. So here I am in the ClickUp website. So from here, make sure you already have an account, and then let's log in so that we can go to the ClickUp workspace. So I'll just click login right here, and then here is my ClickUp workspace. So from here, what you can do is that you can add a calendar view so that you can have your content calendar right here in your ClickUp project. So for example, I have this project right here and I already have some due dates. So what you can do is that you can have a content calendar view so that you can see all of your tasks in a calendar format. So just click the plus view button right here, and then you should see the calendar option from here, which is this one. So here is the calendar view, and then as you can see, you have all of your tasks right here in the calendar. And then what you can also do is that you can customize your view, like for example, the task dates, the color tasks, the time format. You can also show weekends or not. You can also show the week numbers if you want it to be shown. And then you can do a lot of different options right here, and so on and so forth. You can also apply filters and do some other settings. So from here, you have your content calendar, and then what you can do is that you can click on a specific task so that you can see its details. So you can go ahead and edit the name, edit the status, the dates, the tracking of time if you have it in your spreadsheet, and then the assignees, priority tags, and so on and so forth. And then you also have custom fields right here. And then you can also add more custom fields. So just like what you do in a list view. So we just have a calendar view right here. And then what you can do is that you can go to a specific date. So for example, let's say January 27. So just click the plus sign, and then you can go ahead and insert a task from here. So for example, I'll say like create report draft, and then you can also edit the custom fields from here and then set the priority. So I'll say like hi, and then you can also insert a start date right here if you want, but I'll just insert the due date. And then as you can see, the task is now created right here, and then you can go ahead and click that task so that you can see more details. And then that is it. So this is a very useful view right here so that you can see the timeline of your tasks. What you can also do is that you can also go to the different months of the year so that you can plan your tasks in advance. And then currently we are in the month view. You can also view a day view right here. So if you have like a specific time blocking for your tasks, you can also have 4 days per week right here. And then you can also have a week view where you can still see the time right here. And then you can also have a month view. So for the month view, that means that all of your tasks will be assigned as an all-day task. But if I go, for example, to a week view, and then I can assign tasks to specific times. So for example, I'll say like 11 to 1 p.m. on Tuesday, I need to finalize the report, and then click save, and then you will see the time blocking right here in the content calendar. So you can also do this for the 4 days view or the day view. And then you can see all of them right here in the list view as well. As you can see, we have this one, the finalized report. It is set to Tuesday at 1 p.m. And then that is it. So just go ahead and manage your project using the calendar view. So I hope you learn how to use this, and thank you for watching.